Today we will discuss about pancreatic cancer cells and its interactions with the ECM. So previously we are discussing in general how the cancer cells can interact with the ECM. However, in this video our focus will be specifically on the pancreatic cancer cells, how they interact with the ECM. So, so from the figure it is clear that the ECM has a dual role, or the stroma around the tumor cells has a dual role, that is tumor promoting and also the tumor suppressive environment. So in terms of this tumor promoting, what the stroma can does is that it can activate this TGF beta signalings can activate this MET signaling pathways, thereby triggering the promoters uh, to triggering the promoters to manipulate the gene expressions in a way that it will promote genes that are responsible for mesochemical characteristics, or in other way the epigenetic changes might occur towards this EMT characteristics, that is epithelial to mesochemical transition. The other things that it can does is this DDR signaling activations, and along with that what it will does is it will also helps in providing the nutrients requirements that are essential for maintaining this accelerated growth rate of the tumor cells, and this is being done by this collagens, these fragmented collagens that are present in the stroma. And this the next part is about this integrin signaling. So this integrin signaling will activate this FAK pathways, and this FAK pathways and also this PYK2 pathways. Both of these pathways uh, plays a roles towards uh, plays a roles towards promoting the cancer cells proliferations within the cancer cell proliferations within this reprogrammed tumor within this reprogrammed tumor uh, environment. So, and most of this trauma has been surrounded by this collagens and this activated CAF, that is cancer associated fibroblast. And in terms of this tumor suppressive environment, what it will does is this ECM remodeling will act as a barrier towards metastasis. That is, it will provide a physical stress or physical barriers, and that will prevent the tumor cells from metastasis. In order to overcome these physical barriers, the reprogramming within the tumor cells occurs in a way that it can degrade the ECM surrounding the tumor cells, and at the same time what it will does is this increase collagen secretions, and this ECM remodeling will also trigger the immune response. We also and this immune response triggered will be will reduce the immune response trigger will reduce the amount of cancer cells that have been generated around the pancreatic tumors, or that have been generated within the pancreatic organs. And in order to promote this immune response, the major things that are responsible for that is this inactivated fibroblast, as they are more exposed to the immune system. And however, for the immune cells to reach to the tumor cells, they have to cross this ECM. So ECM will, although it will activate the immune response, but it will also act as a it also has a dichotomy roles, that is, it will prevent the immune cells to reach to the tumor cells and act as a physical barriers. And this ECM remodeling will thus have the dichotomy towards the pancreatic tumor cells. And apart from this, the activated CAF, what it will does is it will release this cytokines such as TG2, and this will helps in the this actin this will help in this actin uh, polymerizations that can be seen here, and these actin polymerizations will then carry this fragmented collagens that will help in providing the nutrients for the tumor cells. So this way the tumor promote, and this way the ECM will also act as towards tumor promoting agent. So this is about the dichotomy of this ECM towards the pancreatic cancer cells. And if you need to understand more about this dual roles of ECM towards the PDAC or pancreatic adenocarcinoma, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.